We're live with Michelle Morar. She was kind enough to take a break from her Uber adventures to join me on the channel. Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Welcome to the Stock Explorer live chat.
I just got your notification that you're live.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, that's awfully nice of you there, Michelle.
No, I mean I got the. Oh, shit.
Welcome, Towels Art and Game. Thank you so much for that share. I appreciate it.
So you wanted to talk about stocks?
Yes, I did. Hey, Brian Roshetsky, guys, welcome in. Brian Roshetsky, amazing photographer out in Austin, Texas. He said, "Did you see the Tesla webpage? Huge news. Let me guess, it has something to do with Dogecoin. I have not actually looked at the actual
I
Tesla
saw.
page."
I saw on YouTube there was somebody talking about Shibu Inu.
Oh
Shibu.
yeah,
I don't know if it was old or what. I
it's
didn't.
huge. Now I'm live. I can't look, but what's it saying about on the website? Brian, you can be the one to drop the deets, drop that huge news for us. Thank you, Towels. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, please share the like and share it out if you can. Oh, look who we got.
What?
We got a party.
What is it?
We got Leroy wanting to come up on the show.
Hey, I was going to say I was on a thing last night, and they were talking about. Have you ever heard of W.D. Gann? Do you know who he is?
It sounds very vaguely familiar, but no, I don't know the details of it.
Well, I mean, he was a Texan, a
Okay,
mathematician, and
okay.
they call it voodoo whatever. And he made millions of dollars doing. I guess he was doing options, but he could detail the exact date. And well, this guy was talking about a crash that's coming, and well, we were talking, and you sent me the email, the thing last night talking about the disaster that Joe Biden is. I guess that's why you wanted me on here today, right?
We always want you on the show, Michelle. You're a good guest.
No, I'm talking about you were saying it was disastrous. You had sent me
I
that.
sent you the video that Jeremy
He
LaFaze
just
made,
was going through the numbers. Let's just be
but
real. He was
if
just
you're
going
just
through the numbers.
factual and it's not a jab at Joe Biden, but if you have looked at what the market has done, I mean, it's the numbers.
Well, I'm assuming that most people are kind of scared. I'm scared.
Mhm.
That's why I was wanting to do some puts, and I wanted to glean from your knowledge about options and stuff that you some of the options. The only thing that I'm going to do is probably be looking at puts and stuff. So,
Selling puts, you mean?
yeah,
Selling
selling
puts?
puts.
Selling
Really?
puts. It's very different than puts, guys. It's a lot less risky.
Oh yeah, yeah, selling instead of buying.
Selling puts. Let me see what Leroy's doing. He's on here, but then it was blank. It was blank and I didn't see his face, so I don't know. We'll leave it like that, and when he comes on, he can pop on. We got Leroy from 40 and broke way over on the end. He's on the
Why
end
are
now.
you? Why am I in the middle?
I don't. That's just how it goes. So hopefully he gets that connection going.
You know
We
we
got
won't.
Runny Egg on the tape. What's going on, Runny? What's going on? Welcome, welcome,
You
welcome.
know, 40 and Brooke's not going to be on here. He's going to be in and out. The perpetual. He needs to get some internet.
All right, I'll remove it, but if he does, if
No,
I
let
see
him come back.
he's in the queue, and when his face pops up, I can put him on.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'll
That'd
see
be
when
better.
it connects. I'll see it, and I'll put him on. Anybody else want to come on? Just let me know. I did send
Lord.
the email out with a link for a few people.
So, did you get Brandon?
No, no. Oh my gosh.
You got your new hat on.
Anyway, guys, yeah, I wanted to you were out Ubering this morning, is that right? You were out
I
Deliver in
tried.
Starbucks.
I tried. No, they didn't get. You know what? I've got to get my. If I
Hey,
get my
Think
first.
Dragon. Welcome everybody, guys. The chat is flowing pretty good. Welcome everybody. I'm sorry if I don't call your name out, but please connect with each other in the chat. I'm not sure how long we'll have Michelle, so I wanted to give her a chance to say what she's doing.
No, I was gonna say. There he is. Hey, Leroy. Hey, Leroy. Hey, is he gonna say something?
Can you hear me, Nora?
Yeah.
See, because I can't see Michelle. All it is like it's buffering where she's supposed to be, and I can't
Oh,
even
that's
hear
so
her.
weird. She's on the screen. Can everybody see
Yeah,
Michelle?
I can
Okay.
see me.
We
I
got
don't know.
Pink Dragon. We got Leroy from the channel 40 and Broke. Guys, if you're new here to the channel, you want to check everybody out that I have up here. Their channel names are right here in the blue box.
Yeah, I see. Like I don't have Michelle on the screen. I could hear you talking something
Okay.
about Jeremy from financial education or whatever,
Yeah.
and what the markets were doing and selling
Yeah.
puts. But I couldn't hear what Michelle was saying in response.
No, I was saying that. That was me.
So,
He can't hear me.
Oh, she brought up the topic of selling puts.
oh,
That's curious. I wonder why you can't hear her, because I'm hearing her fine. If you want me to tell him a message, Michelle, tell me what you want him to know. I can be the
how do we know what you're saying is true? I'm not going to know. You could be telling me anything.
You got
Everybody else knows. Everybody, he told me he has to go watch it again if he wants to know.
I can try leaving and then coming back on and seeing if that works.
Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, okay. All right, he's gonna try to go out
Ask
and come back
everybody
in.
else if they can hear me in the chat. Say, can you
Can
hear
everybody
me?
hear Michelle in the chat? I'm gonna highlight some comments real quick, guys, while we're
What is
waiting. We
that?
got
That
Think
is a
Dragon, we got Paralife TV.
Yo,
Yeah, you can
Dragon.
take a rain check, no worries. No worries at all. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna keep YouTubing and doing my thing here, guys. Robin Rock says good morning.
Put it up there. I can't see.
Welcome, Robin.
What is?
She's saying good morning. Is that coming up? There we go. Robin Rocks. All right. We got a friend from the Philippines saying hello.
Sidiarin?
Magaline.
Sidiarin? Sidiarin?
We had the Runny Egg. We have 77. Big supporter. He's always on here helping me out. And then we got Brian Roshetsky, the drone guy from Austin, Texas. He takes those drone videos of the Tesla Gigafactory. He was dropping some details about the Tesla website. I guess maybe I ought to go look at Tesla.com and see what he's talking about.
Put it on
I'm
the
pretty
screen.
sure it was something about Dogecoin, because Dogecoin went from 14 cents up to 19 cents. It was around 19 cents the last time I looked at it. So anybody in Doge, that's awesome.
Let me ask you a question. So I can get the Dogecoin on the Robinhood app?
Absolutely. That's the first place I bought it. Yeah, that's not working, Leroy.
There he is.
He came back up in the queue, but his video didn't come up. So try to go out and come back in one more time, Leroy, because that's not. Maybe 3 times is a charm. Go out and come back in.
Nora had to do that.
Yeah, I did, because my mouse decided to freeze on me as soon as I was ready to go live. That's all my fault, though, because I have not bought a new computer, and that is my fault. But it is definitely something that will happen in 2022.
I was going to ask you, what options are you looking at?
Okay, so I'll tell you what I did this week, because I'm starting to actually write it down. I actually wrote it down, which I never do. but I do need to kind of keep better track. So on the 3rd, I bought a Kroger $45 call that expires in April.
Kroger? You're kidding me.
Oh yeah, the KR, the
Don't
big
tell
KR.
Miss Warren.
And let's see, it's up over $300 now, guys. That was a winner chicken dinner. I'm still holding it, so I don't know how much I'm making on that. The next option
Hold
I
on a
bought.
second. Hold on a second. What were the details as far as how
Okay,
far
the
out did you
details
go?
were I bought the $45 call that expires.
Oh, so it was a call that you bought.
I actually bought a call. I was feeling
And she
super
bought the
bullish.
call. She didn't
Okay,
sell it.
Robin. No, I bought the call, which is probably one of the when you buy a call or you buy a put, it's more risky because the stock really has to go.
Well,
Really has to go your way, precise. It has to be timed pretty perfectly for you to make a profit. I paid $254 for the call. I've
is that
not
the most
sold
that
it yet.
is that the most that you can lose is $250?
Yes. Yeah. You're not going to lose more than $254. But I got it at, I thought that was a fantastic price. And I have until April to hold it. So that's a good deal. So that is up 300 at the moment. I'm not sure when I'm going to sell it.
So that was more than 90 days as far as a call, right? Because if you did it
Yeah.
in January and it's
Yes. That was for like almost
4 months.
4 months out. So that gave, if you're brand new to options, you want to kind of go far out like that because it'll net you a smaller return, but um, it will give you a lot of room for error. So you want to always give yourself a lot of time. So yeah, that's up. And then I got on the 7th of January, I got a Uber 4250 call
But you
that
sold it,
expired
right?
in June, which I sold very early. That filled for $510. That's what
You
that
made
cost.
510?
No, it cost me $510.
Oh.
He says he can see and hear you now. And I made $125 on that. I only held that for about a week.
That's not
Guys,
really
sorry. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second.
guys, give
Go
her
ahead,
just
talk,
a
Michelle.
second.
I'm having issues
She's
with
got
my
issues. She's got
I
issues.
I got issues. I need some tissues. Give me a second.
40 and break, we would love to see you again, bro. I'm glad you can hear me. All I was saying is I was watching some dude last night and he was talking. Have you ever heard of WD GAN? It's called the WD GAN. I was trying to look it up, some stuff on YouTube. But evidently the guy can predict it. It's an indicator of trending. And anyhow, the guy that I watched last night, he was using options, of course. And he was also saying he felt like the market would probably crash. And it correlates. He was talking about how the market correlates to itself in different time periods. I've heard that before. I've seen that before. And so this guy was just talking about that. You know, I do. And then you see Jeremy last night talking about what Biden has done with the stock market. And, you know, it's just amazing. It's really not that. He was talking about how you would expect, Jeremy was talking about how you would expect that the oil stocks would go down. But, you know, that's not necessarily true because he's all about big business, first of all. And the fact of the matter is, they don't want new people coming into the fold to make the money. They want to keep the people that they have, the big business, and they are all on the side of big business. So that's why that's not really a shock. He was talking about marijuana. He was talking about what's the one, the Planet 13, or what is it? What do you know that stock, Nora? The marijuana stock? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Oh my God. Nora, oh my goodness, what is going on? I heard you before. Can't hear you. Nothing. There.
How about now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my. Okay. Look.
You need a new headset.
Corsair, don't go out on me. I've been saying good things about you, Corsair.
Yeah, I think we need to sell some puts on Corsair, right?
No, don't you? Because I have Corsair shares. That doesn't stop them, though. I'm on the ride. I'm on the roller coaster with
I was trying
Corsair.
to ask you, what is the planet,
Yeah,
Planet 13?
It's Planet 13. They're out in Las Vegas, Nevada, and they're also out in
California
California. They're mega stores. They're
is Las
huge.
Vegas, right?
Yes.
But anyhow, he was talking about how you would expect and anticipate that with Democrats in control, that the marijuana stocks would be able to thrive. But he had shown how how far down had they gone from the. Do you remember? Can you remember? It was a lot.
I mean, I would say they're down at, oh my
At least
gosh,
half.
maybe half or 60%. It's quite a bit. They rallied great. I mean, everybody was jumping on the rocket, and then they just reversed, and they've been absolutely destroyed since then. Lots of great companies with a lot of potential, but big money just sort of pulled the money
Well,
out of them.
I think I know why.
Why is that?
Bears have predicted 100 of the last 10. 100 of the last 10 stock crashes. What is he talking about? He's saying bears are stupid. I was listening to the guy last night on 40 and Broke. No,
That's funny, Leroy.
I anticipate. Well, tell him what is he doing? How's your?
Well, I keep hearing that Warren Buffett has like something like a couple billion, not a couple, a lot of money off on his sideline. Is that true? Does anybody know if that's true? Because that's unusual.
Well, he's waiting for that. Now, this is what the dude was talking about. He was saying there's going to be a huge crash, but there's plenty of tons of money that you can make in the middle of a big crash like that.
Well, yeah, because you can play both sides. You can play a market up or down. If you're new, you don't realize that. You think it always has to go up, and that is not true.
People do not realize that. That's why the guy made so much money. The movie that we talked about that time, in
The Big Short?
Yeah, The Big Short.
Yeah.
Where the dude went, Michael, whatever his name is, went and he was, I mean, he had tons and tons and tons of money. Hi, Abigail. Who is Abigail?
Subscriber. She's just being friendly.
Who's a subscriber to your show?
Yeah.
Ray Dalio has been predicting crash since 2016. Oh, okay.
Ray Dalio is actually very smart. I was listening to him speak. That's one not to ignore.
Well, I mean,
for sure.
I understand what Leroy is saying. I'm just a little bit very cautious. What 40 and Broke is not taking into account is the fact that the inflation is unbelievable. And
that is true.
That's going to affect, and then they have the same stance going on with the pandemic. They're not pivoting at all, and so if they try to shut everything down again, it's not going to be good.
Did you notice what hat I had on?
I said it earlier. I said you got the hat on today, and.
Yeah, check it out, guys. I bought this off of Michelle off her eBay page. Check it out.
Did you wash it?
Oh my gosh. I sanitized it. I didn't wash it because I don't think that's good for a hat. I wiped it down, sanitized it.
How did you
I haven't caught cooties, so I'm good. I caught some other thing in the air.
I washed it. I think I washed it.
I think you said you did wash them. So
I think I did wash that one.
Okay. But yeah, it's cool because instead of the bull and the bear, it has a lion and the bear. So I thought it was really cool.
And a star.
I like it. It's comfy. I like trucker hats. I'm in Florida. Most of the time it's hot, so they're nice and breathable.
Well, and it's a snapback too.
And none of that. I think I bought 3 hats from you now. All of them are like brand new condition. It's like a hobby of mine. I buy stuff off of her eBay page now. She gives me a good deal.
Well, I mean, I don't know what other hat you bought.
Hey, welcome, Daz. Daz from my Aussie kitchen. He's awesome. Thank you, Daz.
Good
Wow, what
day.
time is it there? Isn't it late at night?
Good day. You said
G'day, mates.
good day, mate.
Guys, if you're not connected with Daz, check out his channel. He's a pretty cool guy. We got mortgage with me.
Mortgage.
Mortgage with me.
Mortgage with her. She's selling mortgages on Uber. I mean on Uber. On YouTube.
That'd be interesting. Just deliver your mortgage. Doc, you got DocuSign. You sign it, boom.
Hey, I didn't tell you. I said I'm probably going to get the Kias sold, but this is what
Okay.
happened.
What happened?
Not going to get it because we can't. Tim has to have a turbo, and I'm like, oh, good Lord. So I said to him, okay, I'm going to get the Hyundai Tucson. It is a hybrid, and I tried. Yeah, it's a
Oh
hybrid.
wow! Oh,
Tim
those
was-
are nice. Those are
Tim was-
nice.
I know Tim
He
was
won't go
very.
for it. Come on, Tim.
It's not really his choice. Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot that you're the boss.
Well, no, I told him, I said, it doesn't really matter. He was afraid of any of the, because we are trying to get a new one. I really want to get a new one because you get 100,000 miles and you're not going to be, it's not going to have any, it's not going to have a problem 100,000 miles. So I think he has succumbed to my,
Interesting. I can't wait to see what you do get. And
well, I mean, I would have liked, you can't find a car anywhere. I mean, it is, I told him, I said, well, we just have to get what we can get, and we're going to have to get something. So,
welcome in Radical Productions.
What is the two?
Now that is a cool channel. He goes out and interviews people out in the community. It's sort of like impromptu. He'll just go up to somebody and interview.
What
It's
does he
really
ask
cool. Some of them are people that are homeless. Some of them are people, that are, just in a bad situation, and he gives them a chance to tell their story. And his channel's doing very well. It's really interesting. So he goes in different places, like he won't stay in one city. So it's kind of a cool channel idea. I have been tempted to do that, guys, by the way. I've been very tempted to go up to a stranger and say, hey, what do you know about the stock market? And then just record their response. I thought that would be kind of fun, but you never know, but we'll see. I might actually try that one day. Thank you, Kevin. Kevin from Super Chat is here. Welcome in. Have you ever had a problem, Radical Productions, with approaching somebody and then they just did not want to talk to you? Or are you really like friendly looking guy and they all like agree to make a video with you? How does that go? Thank you, Tal. Tal's helping me out. Smash the like. I appreciate it. Charlene likes your hat, Michelle. She loves Clemson.
Charlene
Heel.
I don't see her.
I have been tempted to do that. I'm not even kidding, because there's this, I don't want to say weird guy, but there's this man that stands on the corner with his guitar and he plays the guitar for money. So I've been wanting to go up to him and give him like $5 and have him sing more of the Stock Explorer. But I gotta catch him. All right, what, $10? How much should I give the guy?
I mean, that's a lot. $5.
Oh, and no, I would give him $5 because I think he's pretty good. I've heard his guitar playing, and maybe he could just do an intro for me. So yeah, it's been kind of chilly. I haven't seen him out there lately. So we'll see. I'm crazy like that. I will do it.
It's supposed to snow this weekend here, so I've got to go get some food later.
Oh wow! You don't want to order it from Kroger for distribution center? That's what I think I'm going to try to do.
The Kroger is not Kroger here; it's Harris Teeter, and I used to shop at Harris Teeter all the time, but now I just do.
Sorry for the sniffing, guys.
Good day, Charlene Hill. Good day.
So it's called Harris Teeter. I've never seen a Harris Teeter, but I do know that Kroger owns Harris Teeter. I'm pretty sure
They
that they
own them
do.
here in Greensboro. Yeah, I remember.
Well, there you go, Michelle. You got it. Look, I have some Kroger stock, so you have to help out and go to.
No, I shop at Aldi. You know, I do go to Harris Teeter. I do go to Harris Teeter. They have the best, except, you know, everything is expensive. Everything. I used to go there for they had some boar's head turkey. Oh
Oh
my
yeah,
God,
that's
that
we
was,
have that
it was,
at the Publix. That's good stuff.
well, we have a Publix here too. What are you doing shopping at Publix if you have Kroger stock, dude?
I'm saying Publix has because people love Publix subs. They love Publix
You know
subs.
what? I was on an Uber drive, and I'm not joking. I am not joking at all. I was over in High Point. The Publix here is not close to me at all, and I was hungry. I was very hungry, and I got that chicken sub, and with just chicken. I don't even. I might have put a little mayonnaise and just a little piece of cheese, and it was scrumptious. But that dadgum thing was like $9 with the
Oh yeah, you
on
got the
the.
big one.
I don't know. I don't. I
You
didn't.
didn't get a half a sub, which is
I
like the
did get
extra.
a half a sub. I got a half a sub, chips,
Oh,
and a drink.
and that was $9. Dang.
Oh shoot! I can't talk to her right this minute. Call her back. That's my client.
Call me back. I'm on Nora's show.
She's gonna be like, "What are you? What have you done?" And I do need to go see her. I'm going to make a shirt for you, Dragon.
That's cool.
Hey, my brother.
Robin, you do t-shirts and stuff. That's kind of cool. I like to see what you come up
Let
with.
me tell you
That'd
this
be
story.
awesome.
Let me tell you this story. The reason I was trying to get a hold of you on Wednesday was, guess who I delivered Uber for?
A celebrity?
Gary V.
No way!
No, it wasn't, but his name was Gary V. And the
Oh
next
man,
day,
come on, man.
well, I don't guess it was Gary V. I don't know. I guess it could have been, but it was, I mean, it was funny. It was Gary V. And I went yesterday. I went
Take a picture of the order. That's cool.
Well, I went yesterday and I was in the Greensboro food court picking up. And the girl said, "Oh, are you picking up for Michael Jordan?" And this black guy,
Of course I am.
this black guy in front of me said, so you're going and delivering food for the celebrities." I said, "I know."
I bet you will one time, Michelle. How much you want to bet? Because you're kind of lucky like that.
Well, I mean, it's possible. It's possible. You got this. I've got to get this down so you can see me.
It's 2 degrees Celsius in New Brunswick, Canada. Brr.
It's cold. It's cold here in Greensboro. Like I said, we're going to get some snow. Now I look like I'm taller than you. Oh,
yeah.
You stood up.
I know. I have to sit up straighter.
Well, you need to move your thing a little bit. Your laptop.
There we go. Boop.
Now you're taller than me.
That's fine. You can be larger than life with your Clemson hat.
Right. Well,
hey, we got Back Alley. What's going on, Back Alley stock picks?
Back Alley.
Back Alley stock picks. In the house. Thumbs up. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. All the thumbs up and the shares. I appreciate that.
Miss Nita Boo.
Miss Nita Boo and life and stuff.
What is it in life and stuff? Does it show her about what she does, Miss Nita Boo, on a daily?
It's about her life and stuff. She'll follow along. Come on. You need a channel that says Michelle's Uber and stuff. Because you got some Uber stories. I'm telling you, you could have a whole new channel.
I don't want a whole new channel. I don't want to do that. I just want to make enough money so I'll tell you what I do with the Uber money. I'm going to show you.
Yeah, what are you? Do you have a goal with the Uber money?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. We're going to do some stuff. I had ideas for the amateur name, but now I've got to design for this name. What is the amateur? What is she wanting to do? Do you know?
I'm not sure. Tell us more, Robin.
Nora's
I'm
always
trying to keep up with the chat, guys.
Michelle.
They're having some sidebar combos here. Think Dragon wanted a T-shirt. That'd be cool though. Help each other out. I know Four Corners Custom Designs does T-shirts as well, guys. He's in our small YouTube community. He usually pops in the live chat as well.
Well, I am telling you, I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to do some real estate this year. It's going to happen. So,
Oh,
hey,
really?
yeah. What do you mean? Oh, really?
What do you mean by do real estate? You're going to buy real estate and then maybe Airbnb it out, or
whatever. I got to convince.
Okay, let me know. Michelle's Airbnb.
Well, I mean, there is a place that I've got that's, I'm in this group. It's 50 on Facebook. It's houses for 50,000 and less.
Really? They have houses for 50,000 and less?
Yes, you guys.
Yes, Nora.
They do. Well, especially if you want to go to Illinois or New York, they got them for 20 and.
Wow.
Hey. Oh, you didn't know that?
Oh, so you don't mind that it's not in North Carolina?
This one is in North Carolina. And
okay,
it is.
Because I would probably rather it be somewhere I can keep an eye on it.
Well, yeah, you're not going to find that many. There are a few that come in that are low in whatever in Florida, but they're very hard to find. Georgia, on the other hand, is a little bit easier.
Oh, Georgia, really?
Mm-hmm.
Uber.
What?
Leroy said Uber real estate. He's stupid. She could combine the two. She would, because while you're out doing Uber, you can be like,
get
there's
his
a house
butt
for
on
sale.
here. Tell him to get his butt on here.
Yeah, what happened, Leroy? You just gave up.
It's not. He may not be able to. Well, it looked like he was driving too, so I don't know how safe that is.
Yeah, that's true. And he might be at work, so I don't. Actually,
he was at work.
He looked like he was in his truck. So yeah,
He was in his truck.
Don't let me get you in trouble at work.
Well, she don't care really. He would like to have
He'd
have
a job tomorrow, honestly, because he's
he would like to have you on.
He's a good truck driver, guys.
He can find 20 million jobs. There's not a. He would be able to find a job. Nothing. I mean, seriously, I saw a job talking about.
Sorry, guys. I gotta.
Oh my God. How do you do a? I wish you had a silence button. Then we wouldn't hear the snot.
Oh, yeah, well, last time I put it up, it decided it didn't want to come back on. So I don't want to touch it. It decided it turned red on me. So I was like, no, maybe we shouldn't touch that. You guys just have to see me suffer through whatever it is. I'm better, but it's like residual.
We know what it is.
Yeah, it's residual whatever.
Oh my goodness.
He tried to come on, but look, it won't show his video. His video feed won't come up. So close, guys, so close. Thank you to my homegirl Luz at the Wawa, always hooking me up with the coffee. Thank you so much. They were short today. The coffee bar looked destroyed today. I never, literally in all the days I've gone to this Wawa, I have never seen the coffee bar look so bad. All the 24-ounce cups were gone. All the 20-ounce cups were gone. You know I never get the 16-ounce. You know I always get the 24, the big old biggin, right? They didn't even have it out because they couldn't keep up because they were short-staffed. I guess Wawa got the Roni. So
they got hit by the pandemic.
Yeah, so
everybody listen.
I never really, and you know, the coffee canisters are lined up. Maybe half of them were not even up there. So I've never seen nothing like that. So I went up to my homegirl at the register and I said, "What's going on with the coffee bar?" And she said, "We're short." I said, "Well, okay." I couldn't complain because she gives me a free coffee all the time. So but I just was like, "Wow, I never saw it like that before." So yeah, it's definitely
everybody wants their coffee like you, Nora. Go help out.
Go help out. I got enough to do. I'm not working at Wawa.
Yeah, go help us out a little bit for the.
I got to go to work later.
So you're going to work today? Oh, you're just
Yeah,
off.
no, I have to go to work today, and we're short. Everybody's short.
Uh,
I've been timed out by the mod forever now. What happened now?
Who's
What
the
is going
mod?
on? I keep hearing about people getting timed out. What is going on? I haven't even touched it.
What is the mod?
So, is somebody, one of my mods, hitting timeout by accident, guys? Try not to block anybody because this has been a great chat. I apologize if that happened. I've had people tell me that. I don't know what's going on with
You
that.
have a moderator for your channel?
There are some, yeah, on YouTube. Yeah, there's some moderators. I'm not logged in on YouTube. I'm just in StreamYard right now. So I'm really not sure what is going on with that. I had some other people tell me that they got timed out. So I'm sorry about that, Daz. I'll leave you up there. Anybody know what that's about? Because that is that is really strange. I don't know. Anyway, I don't. It won't let you on. That's so weird. What the heck? I got gremlins in my StreamYard, guys. Sorry about that. It's a rogue. It's a rogue mod. What the heck? I have to investigate, guys. My phone is sitting here. I wasn't even on it. So whoever did that or however that happened, that's a glitch. So apologize for that. Oh, you're back now. Okay, good. Because that's very strange. It's probably a glitch in StreamYard because somebody told me that happened to them last Friday, and I don't remember putting anybody. Don't think I put anyone in timeout unless you're a legit, like, spam, and you could tell because it looks like all crazy with a link. So, anyway, guys.
I
All
thought you wanted
right.
to talk about some stocks. What are you going to be
So
investing?
yeah, so I'm still holding that Kroger option, and I sold a $5 Astra put, which cost $500. I'll probably make 1% on that. So
$50?
it's cost 500 because it's $5 times 100.
I
So it
know. I'm
cost
saying it'll. What's the return you said?
Astra is ASTR, but I'll make 1% on 500. So I mean it's not
That's
life changing
$5.
money, but it's money, and all those little hitters add up. But the reason I did that is because if Astra drops below $5, I don't mind, because I wouldn't mind holding 100 shares of Astra at $5. I almost kind of hope that it does. So I'm not worried about that. So that's kind of another beautiful thing when you sell puts. If by chance you do get assigned the 100 shares because it holds that collateral, you're going to sell puts on stocks you like. So I would love to have more Astra stock. I'd love to have
I
more
thought you were going to do
space
something.
stock.
Yeah, I thought you were going to do something on space.
I did. I sold a $9 space put. So um, if I'm betting that space will not go below $9 a share, but if it does, I'll
How
have
far out?
100 shares at $9, which is still a steal for SPCE.
How far out did you go?
Only 2 weeks. I get
Oh,
impatient when I sell puts. I want to kind of keep them rolling because so I just went out 2 weeks on it, and I should get another 1% on that. So $9. I don't know. I guess $9. Not life changing money, but I think that's easy. It's free money basically.
you get paid $9 for it? Is that what you said?
Yeah, you get your collateral back, and then you get the 1% or whatever it was, 1 point, I don't know, something percent on it, which is way more than you guys are getting from your bank. Your bank's giving you less than 1%. So if I can get 1%, 2%, 3% by selling puts, selling puts, selling puts, I'm going to do that. It's that slow and steady.
That dude, your dude said he tries to get 1%. Gail
He
Southern.
usually gets 2% or more. He does. He's been killing
But
it.
he said, yeah, but he said you should try to, your goal should be at least 1% of your whatever a
Okay.
week. So
Right.
that's, I mean, not bad.
No, it's not. I mean, it's a win-win situation. So that's why I did that. And you're gonna start, but you haven't made a decision on which ones that you're going to select.
I told you, yeah, there are those that, but I need to look. You said to get some volatile
Yeah,
stocks.
yeah. The more volatile they are, the more you tend to
I may be doing
make.
some Uber Scoober.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do
That'll
some Uber
that'll
stock.
cost about at least $2,000, but I think that'll be a winner chicken dinner.
2,000. Why do you
Yeah, because Uber's at what? What's Uber at? It's
$43 or so?
oh, never mind. I did the math wrong. I don't know what made me think of it. I'm thinking of. Yeah, I was thinking of like something else. You got that kind of money, Michelle? So that's like over $4,000 you need. Okay, Michelle. Okay. Making money with
I feel like
Michelle.
you have. I'm talking about your account. You have more than that in your account. What are you?
I what did I do? I bought more Dogecoin and I did some other things. I don't know. And I do pay some bills here and there out of that account.
Oh,
I
the
know I
inflation.
use Robinhood for trading, but I also use it to buy my food. I use it to buy my gas. I use it to pay my car insurance. So it does help fund some of my living expenses. So it's not 100%. It's not really exclusively a trading account. If it was, I would have way more money in it because I am always using it because I have the Robinhood card. You can get the debit card with Robinhood, and I'm out and about paying for day-to-day things with the Robinhood card. So I joke sometimes. I said, "Oh, Uber bought me lunch today," or Palantir bought me dinner today, or Palantir bought a steak dinner. I'm not kidding. It actually does because I will use my Robinhood card.
So you're not kidding?
No, I'm
'Cause
actually not kidding. It
these
does
are all
actually.
these are
It
all
buys me
free.
Chipotle and all my little. But I haven't been logging them in. I just kind of go with the flow. But
Have you
yeah, I
got?
use I use the that's what it looks like. Everybody's like, "Oh, where'd you get that card?" That's my Robinhood.
Mm,
So yeah. So I
you
like it. And eventually maybe they'll let me put my Dogecoin on it and I can actually
they
spend
they
my Dogecoin.
do they give you any cash back?
Very little. It's basically yeah, they do, but it's very little. It's about the same that a bank would give you, less than 1%. You bought into 6 different cryptos this morning. Okay.
Which ones?
Yeah, there's a lot of cryptos on sale right now. Do you want to tell us which ones you grabbed? Because there's a lot of crypto on sale right now. I would recommend Ethereum. And I did recommend Dogecoin last week, but it already kind
I
of
thought
had
you
a
were a
run.
financial advisor.
I should recommend. All right, I'll share with you what I did. I bought more Dogecoin last week.
Trying to get you not to
Yeah, no, this is
by the.
not financial advice.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it does. Gail, it does. It pays living. It pays for some of my expenses. That's why it's hard to really at the end of the year. It's hard to look at my Robinhood account and see what my overall like profit was for the year because I'm constantly adding to it and taking from it. Um, it said I made 100% on the year, but I don't know. It's hard very much to calculate that because I'm always paying for things with the
It's
card.
very. Did I hear freedom?
Yeah, they're ninny goating. They're wanting attention. That was Littles. She's being a she's
She
being
wants
a
up.
she wants up on the shoulder.
Well, it's cold enough. Put that scarf on. Put the
Yeah,
wool scarf
there
on.
we go. Now she's happy. Little scrappy diddles. Yeah, that's all she wanted, guys. Look.
She,
Brat. They're spoiled rotten. She's
look
rotten.
at it. That's good. It pays for your expenses.
Somebody thought it was a hoodie when I started my channel, and then they were like, "Oh my God, that's a dog! Your hoodie's moving!" Like, yeah, that's my little dog.
Maybe once after you go have more pay someday.
Yes, well, that should be this year all day long, because I'm 1 month away from graduating. So
Oh, so they all know at your job that you're leaving?
yeah, they know.
Okay, I didn't know if I could say
They
anything.
know. I made the mistake of saying I got 1 foot out the door, and of course, somebody took that and ran with it and made a lot of drama out of it. But I mean, let's be perfectly honest. If you could double your income, wouldn't you try to do it?
You should.
I do like my job quite a bit, but if you're not keeping up with inflation, what do you expect people to do? That's all I got to say. Well, I mean, it's just it is what it is. They didn't like how I said it, but I do have 1 foot out the door. I will be looking for another job. It is what it is. So, and then I'll have more money to invest.
And then she
So
can actually grow the Robinhood account because she'll actually have money in her regular account.
I can do a lot with what I make now. So I can
know. I'm just
imagine.
saying, if you make that much more,
I
hello.
can. They've been a blessing. They take care of everybody. They've been very very good through this whole situation that's been going on. I can't complain, but I would like to try to get into a new field, a new career that I find interesting, that will stimulate me mentally, that I can learn and grow with. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm not at the age where I just want to give up. I would like to try to do something different. So there's that.
There's that.
So I'll get double pay Sunday. Yeah, there you go.
What?
We very rarely get overtime. So the field I'm going into, there's quite a bit of overtime. So that's the benefit of it. I need more double pay. Yeah, baby, we need more of that double pay. And my little monsters here, they want their treats. They want this, they want that. I got to be able to spoil my babies. Look at her. She looks like a Angora rabbit or something. Look at her crazy hair. Wild monkey. She's my wild gremlin monkey.
So what's Freedom doing?
How you doing, Michael? Thanks so much for coming in.
What's Freedom doing?
Freedom. I don't know. She's in my room. She's probably up to no good.
That's what she's
I
like.
think she's probably chilling on my bed.
I prefer Freedom on the car. I love the way she does the car. I like the car videos.
Me
with the
too.
dog.
I thought she looked like she was having the time of her life there riding in the car, doesn't she?
Let's see what Zoe Lynn's doing.
Thank you so much, Trending Live TV. Appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Zoe
Hey, what
Lynn's,
happened to all the stuff you used to have stacked on top of the bookshelf there, Michelle?
it's still here. I was doing whiteboard stuff. I was doing training for my YouTube channel.
I want to give a big shout out to my Capitalist Academy group, guys. If you want to join an academy and learn how to trade stocks, my link is always up in the banner next to Elon Musk. It'll say Capitalist Academy. Click on it. You get your first month for free, and tell them Nora the Stock Explorer sent you. I want to give a big shout out to Peter DiCarlo and the Capitalist Academy team. Have to always make sure I do that, guys. So appreciate him for taking my trading skills to the next level so that I can help other people. Are you going to play the drums, Michelle?
No, but did you say that he helped you take your trading to the next level?
Yes.
How was that?
Learning options, learning risk management.
Yeah. And how much is this Capitalist Academy?
It's $100 a month.
Oh, okay.
You get access to a Discord. You get all the live course. You get all the lectures and courses online,
You get
and
his
then
recommendation.
you get the options bot. You get the black box information flows all day long. You can look at it on
What's
the
the
private
options
Discord.
box?
So the options, you can type in what options you're looking at, and it'll tell you if big money's buying those options. It's sort of like a little way to enhance your decision making as far as what options you're going to get and things like that. There's a lot. If you guys aren't part of a trading community, I would recommend it because there's a lot of sharing of information and a lot of news will come out. Sometimes if you jump on that quickly, you can actually make money with the momentum of it. Big money will buy things out of the blue, out of nowhere. Boom. Millions and millions of dollars will flow into a certain stock and we get those alerts.
So let
So
me
and then
ask
you can
you,
be like, well, maybe I want to jump in on that, but you have to decide pretty quickly because there's always new alerts coming out. So it's like an alert service as well.
where did you hear about Warren Buffett? Where did you hear that? Was it
Where
on
I just I keep hearing it here and there.
like
I
on
see it
what?
in comments. I see it in the comments section. There's a reason Warren Buffett's holding a couple billion on the sidelines. So you said this person you were talking about at the very beginning. When does he say that the stock market is supposed to be crashing? What is it
I
that he
couldn't stay on there. It was like it was an hour and a half, and I'm like, I don't want to listen to this bullshit
stuff?
stuff. I mean, seriously, if you
But
he,
they do truly think that it is what this year? I
oh
mean,
yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely.
this like you not
He
a correction, like an actual like devastating crash.
okay. I took some notes.
I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibility.
No, he was
It's
talking about 15 to 20%, and it could be
ouch.
extended. I don't. Where's that one at?
Extended like as far like a larger
A
percentage
longer period of time.
or into
A
2023.
longer period of time. He was comparing it to 1932.
All right, Michael, see you guys.
But see, Michael,
See you, Michael.
multi-year, multi-lower,
Thank you, Gail. Appreciate that.
multi-year, multi-lower.
A multi-year. Wow, that would just
If you're looking at inflation over 7%, and if they actually truly do increase the interest rates, that is going to crush the government as well. Somebody was asking and saying, oh, why don't they do it already? I'm like, you stupid idiot, because they have so much. Well, I mean, I didn't say you
they're
stupid
kicking the
idiot.
can down the road, so to speak,
Well, no,
right?
I mean, if they increase that, that means more debt. What in these people are, I mean, it just is amazing to me. You know, it works in reverse. Does anybody know about the rule of 72, how it doubles? It's linked to your interest rate. You know, if you're making 10%, basically in 7 years, your money will double. That would double the higher. So it works in
Wow.
reverse. It works in reverse. So if you're having to pay more on your debt, then your debt is going to crush you. That's why they're not just willy-nilly going out and just raining in all this money. And that's why the American people, and guess what? They can raise the rates on the average Joe, not President Joe, the average Joe, so that, and they don't have to, nobody has to make a decision in Congress. Inflation affects poor people. Poor people. It's a tax on poor people. You have less money to do because you're having to account for more of your money in food and gas. These are essentials. These are not like, and I guess that's why his ratings is in the 30s. So I'm sorry I got on a rant there, but
No, you're fine. As long as we
hey,
say it in a YouTube acceptable fashion, we're good.
was that YouTube acceptable, Nora?
Yeah, I'm actually very, very impressed, Michelle.
Why?
Cause I know there's other ways you would like to say the thoughts that you have.
No. Tim, okay, this is the big deal. Tim has he has pledged me to a more he has pledged a New Year's resolution for our house.
Okay. Tell us more, Michelle.
Uh well, we're going at each other saying, hey, we don't need to be saying some things, some 4-letter words. Need to cut it out. Get
Okay.
it right, Michelle. Get it right, Timmy.
Okay.
So Timmy has made this decision. He has used his authoritarian dictatorship over our household. The dog is no longer able to cuss. Michelle's
Zoe's
not
been
either.
put in
Michelle
timeout.
and Timmy are no longer able to either. So Timmy has made that decision.
Yes, Simone, it's about stocks. It's about the stock market, but we typically end up talking about real life and other things, inflation, side hustles, Uber, all that, anything and everything
Wait,
towards the end. At the beginning, it is always about stocks, but
no. She needs to understand that this affects the stock market. You can see the effects of inflation. I got all irritated, and I was aggravating Nora last night over somebody who was
I
somebody
invested
in the
in
government.
Texaco oil. Okay.
Simone, the super
Don't
bee,
say don't
super
say it,
bee,
Michelle.
the super bee.
Super Simone.
Simone is in the house.
Well, I'm glad you're investing, Simone. I mean, that's good.
What does she mean, Texaco? Who is Texaco? I have ExxonMobil, and ExxonMobil has actually done very well. COP has done well too. What are you laughing
Oxy
at?
did well for me last year. I made a little bit
I
of
made
money on Oxy.
I made a killing. I told you about that on it was a short time period. But anyhow, this guy, I was interested to find out more about the whole procedure. I want to find out more and read about the guy's books. He was a Texan, a mathematician. He was into geometry, and he could actually literally, this guy was pinning down dates and stuff. And this guy that was doing the webinar, he used options to double his money. And of course, when he was talking about double your money, I'm like, yeah, I'm all about that.
I know that's right.
Faux show.
20
But
doubles.
20 doubles, baby. That's starting with $1. You don't even have to have 20 doubles. You have to have consecutive on top of. There are a lot of good opportunities to invest. What's he talking about? Tell him, share his little thoughts.
No, Simone's in timeout.
What?
Simone's in timeout.
Why? Back alley stock picks.
That's why.
So, put back alley stocks. He said there was good opportunities. Ask him where the opportunities were. I'd love to know what he's talking about.
Give us some deets. Throw some tickers out, back alley. Give us the details.
Who was asking about what this was all about? Nora?
The troll was. They're in timeout. I don't think they're coming back either. We don't have time for that.
Goodness.
Goodness. That's pretty good. I didn't get one until almost, 55 minutes in. We're at 59 minutes. So that's not bad. That's actually pretty good. Most people are like, stocks. I don't want to talk about that. The trolls get bored.
She was saying Texaco. Well, there's no. What is she talking about? Texaco. She's investing in Texaco.
I invested in Lego. Oh, really? I didn't know that. I don't know that that was a stock. I don't think that is a stock. What do you mean you invested in Lego?
Well, you don't understand. This person may actually be real. I don't know, but you
It
can buy.
might be. I try to give people a chance to say what they're talking about, and then
He's
oh, they
investing
get
in
funny.
Lego, meaning that, if you have an unopened Lego game, they can go up in value if you have the right one, and
Oh, physically, like you can hold
yeah,
on to the
yeah,
actual and
without
then hold it.
without opening the Lego. I just
That's
noticed.
interesting. Is that something that people do? Like,
Yes.
wow. Okay, because they're like limited edition. You buy it and then you just sit it and you.
Well, yeah, I mean, it depends on the demand. Hello, it's all according to supply and demand. Let's do a little education on supply and demand here. When you have something in high demand and there's
Mhm.
low supply, the
Right.
price goes up. Nobody in the
Okay,
Democrat Party understands that.
that's what they
So
mean. They said, okay, that's awesome. That's actually a smart idea. That's
it's
not
the
a bad
same.
idea.
It's the same as
Because
Nike.
there's so many supply shortages, you may not be able to find
Well,
Legos.
not only that, but Nike has done that for years. I mean, that's what Nike does. When
That
you buy a new pair of shoes and you guess the right one, I mean, have you not ever seen that on YouTube? Some of those videos talking about the sneakerheads and stuff.
oh yeah. Oh yeah,
That's
and
it.
they do very well on YouTube. Have you ever seen a
I have.
sneakerhead channel?
I
They
have. I
kill
love.
it on YouTube.
I
People
love.
love it.
Well, yeah, but because there's a lot of people that love it. I mean, that's one of the strategies of eBay that
Okay.
some people do.
They expect it. They know you're going to buy it, hang
They
on to it, wait till it goes out of stock, and
They
then
buy a bunch of them.
boom.
They buy a bunch of them. They have them, and then they sell them later for. It's like an investment. Yes, he's got Nintendos. I would like to get some new. Well,
Mhm.
he's selling. Well, he may not even be selling his Nintendo. It's the same thing as with games. You can see the price of games go way up when
Is
you
that
don't
right?
have a lot of. That's why
Are
when
they getting hard to find? Is there like shortages of games?
well, I mean, it's just all a matter of, well, when there's a lot of demand. And the
Mhm.
one thing about all the influx of aliens, illegal aliens.
Oh, I thought you meant
No, I'm just, no, listen,
actual aliens.
that's
Oh
what they're
my
called,
God.
illegal aliens. When they're actually a whole bunch
The
of
value of
illegals,
it.
when there's a whole bunch of illegals like that, and they want to get whatever, then they're absorbing some of the market. They're taking away some of the supply. I'm just telling you. Plus, you have the
Yeah.
supply demands right now that are
Mhm.
unbelievably horrible. So,
Mhm.
of course, you have supply shortages. You're just saying, yeah, and looking
Now
at
I'm
your
trying to
camera.
read this person's name in the chat, but I cannot say what.
I am going to have to call my
I can't
cat.
say that person's name on the thing. I don't know what's going on there. But good comments, that's for sure.
What are they saying?
But
You can actually say what they're saying.
Looky Loo, I call them Looky Loo because I can't say that. They're from Africa. Oh, okay, I'm from Africa. That's a long, that's a long YouTube name. But welcome into the live stream. You know Michelle was gonna try to say it. Anyway, guys, yeah, I gotta move on with my day because I have to work
You got to
later.
move on with your day.
Yeah, I gotta go see. Maybe I'll make a trade or two. I might have to have a look.
It's 10:19. It's ready. Time is of the essence. I've got to go
Time is
talk to my
of the
client.
essence. 10:19. Back to the office. All right, guys. That's a police code. That's so funny.
What
Okay,
is?
guys. Well, thank
What's
you
the
for
police
coming on,
code?
Michelle. 1019.
Oh,
You know the 10
10:19 is
codes.
back. 10:19 is back to the office. Is that what it means?
Yeah, I think so. I
You
don't
don't
know. We
know.
don't always use them. But
10:19 is the time of day. Is all I'm saying.
thank you
Late
guys.
potato.
I
Late
appreciate
potato.
the chat, guys. Everybody that was in the chat. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Hey, Allie, thank you for stopping in. Catch the replay, guys. Peace. Thanks so much. See you guys.